court dates are November 13 and November 17 in the downtown Superior Court. Because it's been alleged that you committed this offense
And this is
while
live.
you're out on release for your other offense, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time. So please don't try to pay that other $1,000 secured appearance bond. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Next!
Carol Doherty to the podium. Melissa Kelly to the chair, please.
Melissa. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but there's an attorney back there right now. So there's going to be somebody
Name and date
being
of birth,
represented.
Carol Doherty, 11/18/88.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for five counts of aggravated assault, Class 3 felonies. One count of aggravated assault is a Class 6 felony. One count of assault is a Class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 13 and November 17 in the downtown Superior Court, setting a cash bond of $100,000.
Damn,
if you're able
son.
to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victims or witnesses. No contact with your co-defendant. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. And if there's any orders of protection that are put out against you, you've got to follow those orders. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Damn.
Melissa Kelly to the podium. Mitchell Toden to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Melissa Inmate Kelly, 4/23/1983.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case and 2 probation violation warrants. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for misconduct involving weapons, a Class 4 felony, and aggravated assault, a Class 6 felony. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 13 and November 17 in the downtown Superior Court, setting a cash bond of $25,000. You also have 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date on both of those is November 12th in the downtown Superior Court, setting secured appearance bonds of $1,000 for each one, so that's an additional $2,000 secured appearance. If you're able to bond out on all of your matters, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. No contact with your co-defendant.
Shout out to the 626.
Not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
To the those seis, the
and if you
San
bond
Gabriel
out,
Valley,
contact your PO within
SGB.
24 hours because you're on intensive probation services. Please touch your left for your paperwork.
This is real time, Adam. Yeah, this is real. This is being streamed live right now.
Mitchell Toden to the podium. Luis Acosta to the chair, please.
And this is Maricopa County, Arizona, if you will. What? They have court right now this time? This one looks cold. I guess he shouldn't have been in basketball shorts.
Could you keep those 2 separated, please?
Keep those 2 separated?
They're not supposed to contact each other.
Oh, they're crimies. What time is it there? Right now in Arizona, it's 2:09. 2:09 Mountain Time, I believe, if I'm not mistaken.
Thank you.
Crime doesn't stop in Arizona.
Mitchell Ray Toten, 12/29/86.
Thank you. You're here today on 3 failure to appear warrants. Let me see. Yeah, you're here today on 3 failure to appear warrants. I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney.
Does he have his hands in his pants?
So your next court date is going to be November 13th in the downtown Superior Court.
Hey, don't go to
Arizona. The
Arizona.
bond set by your original judge. It's a $5,000 cash bond as to all 3 matters, so total $15,000 cash. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you've got to contact your PO within 3 days. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Yeah, in Arizona, if you get arrested, you have
Luis
to be
Acosta
seen
to the podium.
within 24 hours.
Corbin
Normally,
Butts to the
you're in
chair,
front of a
please.
judge within 3 to 6 hours, if you will. I've never been there, but that's what I hear. And this is the first court of the night or the morning.
Luis Andres Flores Acosta, November 3rd, 2003.
Thank you.
That's right,
You're
Marla.
here today on a Superior Court grand jury warrant. The grand jury's found probable cause to hold you on 1 count of illegally conducting an enterprise, Class 3 felony, conspiracy, Class 3 felony, 8 counts of trafficking in weapons, a Class 3 felony.
Oh, damn.
These were alleged to have occurred between May 2024 to February of 2025. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's November 13 in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the grand jury. It's a $10,000 cash bond. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision with the electronic ankle monitoring. Furthermore, if you bond out, you can't return to the scenes of the crime. No,
Hey, good night. Man, what's up?
no
What's
contact
up?
with
My
any
internet.
co-defendants, and you're not to possess
Damn, hold on. It's buffering.
any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to
There's no one. Hold up. Let me try to fix this right quick.
Left your paperwork. Corbin Butts to the podium.
All right, hopefully that fixes the problem. The problema. I mean, kind of usually you see same
First
morning
in the
or
box.
next morning. Hold on.
Body to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please. Monitoring. Furthermore, if you bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
We missed that one. My internet was tripping. I had to turn off my VPN. My
First
VPN
in the
was
body to the podium. Damon Stahl to the chair, please.
my VPN causes some issues sometimes when I run these streams, so I just turned it off.
Name and date of birth, please.
October 2nd, 1996.
Name, please.
Good luck,
Kristen
primo.
Lee Dale Labadie.
Thank you. I apologize for mispronouncing your last name.
It's okay.
You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is November 12th in the downtown Superior Court.
Misdemeanors and felonies, both.
According to your probation officer, I'm going to find probable cause as to a warrantless arrest for violations in terms 3, 4, 5, and 7, setting secured appearance bonds of $1,500 as to each case. So that's a total of $3,000 secured appearance. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you've got to contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't please step to your left for your paperwork.
She ain't contacting her PO in 3 days.
David Stahl to the podium.
If I was living that life, hell no, I'm not checking
Leroy
my
McDonald to the chair,
PO.
please.
Catch me if you can, PO. Why is everybody wearing shorts?
Name and date of birth, please.
Damon Stahl, January 31st, 1986.
Thank you. Sir,
This
you're
is
here today
initial
on a
appearances.
probation, failure to appear warrants, not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original attorney.
What's up
Your
with
next
this
court
stretch
date
out?
is going to be November 12th in the downtown Superior Court.
That fool has a blown out
I'm
neck.
Affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's $500 on the first one and $250 on the second.
85
So total
degrees.
$750 secured.
88?
If you're able to
Possession
bond
of a
out, you're not to
firearm?
possess any weapons,
Hey,
drugs, or alcohol.
you got some
Most
love.
important thing, if you bond out, you've got to contact your PO within 3 days.
You're lucky the feds didn't
Please
pick
step
that
to your
case
left for
up.
paperwork, sir. Leroy McDonald to the podium.
Roy McDonald. come
Tarkey
on,
Chris
man.
to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Leroy McDonald, 5/11/81.
Thank you. I apologize for mispronouncing your first name. Sir, you're here today on a Superior Court new case.
Well, this
You've
guy's
been arrested
definitely
possession
dressed
of
for the
dangerous
occasion.
drugs, a Class 4 felony, criminal trespass, a Class 3 misdemeanor. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 13 and November 17 in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of
This fool has
$500.
3 shirts.
If you're able to bond out, you're going to be on pretrial service.
He definitely knew he was going to be in front of
You're
court
not to
today.
return to the scene of the crime, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. You must also continue to obey the order of protection that's out against you. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
That was going to be trading one
Tarkey
of
Chris
those.
to the podium. Anthony Barrett to the chair, please.
He's going to be trading one of those shirts for a Gatorade or a bag of chips.
Name and date of birth, please.
2/16/99.
Name, please.
Sweet Chris.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case and a probation violation warrant. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. Possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony.
I got my blues right here, right
Possession of
behind
drug
me.
paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. 1 second. Your reprint, please.
This is my last pair of
I found
blues that I
probable
got back
cause, and
in
I'm assigning you an
2021.
attorney. Your next court dates are going to be November 13 and November 17 in the downtown Superior
I mean,
Court.
2001, not
Setting a
2021.
placeholder bond of
2001.
$50. You also
24
have
years
a
ago.
Superior probation violation warrant. I'm
What up,
assigning
toxic
counsel.
user?
Your next court date is November 12th in the downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $250. So that's total $300 secured. If you're able to bond out on all of your matters, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you've got to contact your PO within 3 days. If you want to wait right there, you're going to get some new paperwork.
Looks like he's looking for somebody. This man's sleepwalking. It be like that sometimes. Me for graffiti. Nothing major. You know, petty stuff.
Anthony Barrett to the podium. Christopher Gibson to the chair, please.
I missed. I'm not sure. I wasn't paying attention how much his bond was. I missed it.
Name and date of birth, please.
Anthony Barrett, 08-2592.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant.
300?
I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date's November 12th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It's a $250 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond
Is
out,
this
you got to
really
contact
live?
your PO within 3 days. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
This possibly couldn't be live. at
Christopher
all.
Gibson to the podium. Alexandra Medina to the chair, please.
Why are you lying to these people, telling them this is live? Is this even real?
Name and date of birth, please.
Christopher Gibson, 4293.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation
Oh, he's
warrant.
so
I'm
tired.
signing counsel. Your next court date's November 12th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge, $250 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you got to contact your PO within 3 days. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. Alexandra Medina to the podium. Vanessa Gomez to the chair, please.
That fool was from 93? That fool did not look like he was from 93.
Name and date of birth, please.
Sheila Alexandra Medina, 22893.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date's November 12th in the Downtown Superior
Maricopa
Court.
County, up.
Affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $100 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you got to contact your PO within 3 days. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
I'd buy that for a
Vanessa
dollar.
Gomez to the podium. Roy Johnston to the chair,
Is that
please.
a Disney? She had a Disney jacket on.
Name and date of birth, please.
8291.
Name, please.
Vanessa Gomez.
Thank you. You're here today on a city court warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's November 17 at the Tolleson City Court. I'm going to reduce your bond down to $100, so that's on top of whatever else you have going on. If you're able to bond out on all of your stuff, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork, ma'am. I have to call a warrant, please.
1991. All right, so right now he's going to put the phone on mute right now. He has to do some warrants. They normally do that for whatever reason. I'm not sure. I couldn't tell you. But it's standard practice here. Whenever they call for warrants, they'll put the phone on mute. So I know a lot of people are be like, man, like where I'm from, they only have court during banker hours, you know, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. I've never seen anything like this. This is wild. But yeah, Arizona's definitely a different beast. And Arizona's not the only place that has 24-hour court. I know there's a few other places that hold court. Unfortunately, I don't have a link to those courts, but I know I think I've heard Portland, Oregon does a night court. New York does night court. Let me see. What all the 90s people look older than me? It's because they definitely have put their body through a lot. I mean, there's no other way to put it. Let me see. Yeah, this is mad. Court in the UK would be morning early this evening. Let me see. They would be backlogged. That's one of the reasons they do it. They'll be like severely backlogged. And another thing, you guys got to remember, crime doesn't stop only because you guys are not committing crimes. There's out there people, they're stealing copper, you know, smoking Krizak pipes, and you know, doing a bunch of other heinous things and whatnot. So they definitely got to keep these wheels of justice turning, because if not, they'll be definitely backlogged, if you will. Yep, it's 24 hours out here. Let me see. Are you able to do New York? I wish. Are you able to do Portland? I've never done any of those other places. But if you guys got links, feel free to shoot me the links, and I'll definitely check them out. You know, I tend to do courses that are really easy to get into. Maricopa is one of them. They make it really easy. You just go to the website, click on the link, and you're in. You're in like Flynn. I do Miami-Dade. Miami, they do courts 7 days a week in the mornings. Another one that I do like to do also is Polk County. They make it real easy to get in. So those are the type of courts I like to go to attend and whatnot, because you don't have to do anything fancy. You don't have to open up an account. You don't got to show ID. You just go in, boom, and you're in. Let me see. Plus there is 4.6 million people in Maricopa. What? Let me see. Cook County, Illinois has a night court too. I'm have to. You know what? Somebody has mentioned that one before. I'm gonna have to definitely look it out. Look it up. Maryland has a commissioner there 24/7. Damn. Thanks, Crystal. Have to look that one up also for a little bit to
Roy
stop.
Johnson to the podium. Edward Hernandez to the chair, please.
Brevard County, Florida. Easy peasy.
Hi, sir. Could you please take your arms out of your sleeves?
Sorry, it's cold.
Damn, what's up with this fool's hair?
Could I get your name and date of birth, please?
Is this Rick and Morty grown up?
7/24/78.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 20 and November 24 in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand all these conditions?
Mad
You promise
scientist.
to follow these conditions?
Yes.
Do you have any weapons you need to give up?
No. I actually am starting work soon, and he was
starting
planning on like going somewhere else working and coming back. Am I capable of doing that or no?
Going where, sir?
He wants me to help him with his dad's place up in upstate New York for like a month, and then come back.
Yeah, so sir, I can't give you permission today. You're going to have to get permission from your job. When are you supposed to start that job?
Never.
Well, it was going to be in a day or two.
A day or
Yeah,
two.
sir, I don't know if you're going to be able to go out of state, but I am going to release you today, though.
Okay, I'll
this
talk to
will
him
go?
and get it straightened out.
All right, sir. Do you promise to appear on November 20 and November 24 in the downtown Superior Court?
I will.
Do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for you?
I understand.
All right, sir. Upon your
This
promise
fool's
to
not
appear, I'll be
showing up.
releasing you today on your own recognizance. Please make sure to show up to court, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Please touch your left for
Damn,
paperwork.
son, where'd you find this?
Edward
We're gonna see-
Hernandez to the podium.
We're gonna see this fool back with stealing copper. We have a runner. That was definitely a favorite. That fool don't have a job. Look at that fool. Somebody might be saying, "Damn, James, you're scandalous." He
Name
probably
and date
does
of
have
birth,
a job.
please.
I don't think so.
Hernandez Jr., July 19th, 1989.
What kind of shirt
Thank
is that?
you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I'm not finding probable cause today as to the narcotic drugs. I am finding
Can
probable
anybody
cause as
make
to
out
the
what that
remaining
shirt
charges.
says?
I need to warn you, though, sir, that just because I don't find probable cause today doesn't mean that the prosecutor's office can't find it at a later time. So I don't want you to think that those narcotic drugs charges are going to go away forever. Do you understand that? Okay. So on the two charges that I am finding probable cause, I'm assigning
know that
counsel.
guy?
Your next
What
court
the
dates are going to
what?
be November 20 and November 24 in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you.
These
There
colors
are
don't
some
run.
conditions to your release. You're not to
Damn,
possess
Jimmy,
any
you got a
weapons,
good eye.
drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions? Do
Yes, sir.
you have any weapons you need to give up?
No, sir.
Do you promise to appear on November 20 and November 24 in the downtown Superior Court?
I do.
Do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for you?
That
Yep.
guy's not showing up.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you on your own recognizance. Please make sure to show up to court, okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Please touch your left for your paperwork.
Ready?
Please get Mr. Ardo.
Hey, what up, Boston? Oh, okay. This person has an attorney. This should be interesting. I couldn't afford an attorney. I could tell you that much. I'm going with the PD. I'm going with the
Hi,
public
can I get your
pretender.
name and date of birth, please?
Anna Gerardo, September 10th, 2003.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, tampering with physical evidence, a Class 6 felony. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 20 and November 24 in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. You're going to be on supervised release. You're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with your co-defendant. And you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to appear on November 20 and November 24 at the downtown Superior Court?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's weird.
On your
Normally when they're in that
promise to
room,
appear, I'll be releasing you to the supervision of pretrial services. It is your responsibility to call them once you're out of custody. You have to call them during normal business hours. If you fail to call pretrial services, you could end up back here. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
normally when you're in that room, you have a lawyer. That's
Clear the
weird.
courtroom.
That is definitely weird that they didn't have her in the other. Maybe they were
And
harassing
while
her.
we're clearing the courtroom, I have to see 3 individuals back at their cell. They pose a risk of harm to themselves or others. Latasha Benali, date of birth 9/18/97, here on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Next court date's November 12th in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $2,500. If she's able to bond out, not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, must contact her PO within 24 hours.
Nah, normally
Vincent
even
Acosta, date of birth 1/2/1977.
if
here
you
on
guys
Superior
heard the
Court new case
beginning,
and a probation violation warrant.
there was
Active
some
new case,
co-defendants
arrested for
in there
possession of
already.
narcotic drugs, class 4 felony, possession of burglary tools, class 6 felony, theft, class 1 misdemeanor, criminal trespass, class 3 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel. Next court dates are November 13, November 17 at the Downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $5,000.
Something else was going on. Hey,
Next,
so
as to his probation violation, I'm assigning counsel. Next court date's November 12th in the Downtown Superior Court, affirming his $250 secured appearance
So they
bond.
could come back
if he's
to
able
court.
to bond out, he's not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Must contact his PO within 3 days. After visiting with these individuals back at their cell, if I to make any changes to these release conditions, I'll come back on the record to make those changes. Mr. Clement,
hey, this is gonna be a bad case. It should be
In
a
the
bad
criminal
case.
justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous.
name and date of birth, please.
In New York City,
Philip
the
Clement,
dedicated
11/24/78.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for 10 counts of sexual exploitation of a minor, class 2 felonies. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 13 and November 17 in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a cash bond of $150,000. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision with the electronic ankle monitoring. Furthermore, if you bond out, you're to have no contact with any victim or witness, no contact with any minors. You're prohibited from accessing the internet through any electronic means except to communicate with defense counsel, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. This will conclude the 2 a.m. calendar.
Did he say 2 a.m.? No way.
You are not the father.
All right, guys. Hey, if you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free. It's going to definitely help me grow, right, and whatnot. We're currently at like 25,000 followers. We're trying to get to that 50, if you will. Also, if you can, jump on over to my other page, which is I got 2 pages on TikTok. They're both under the same name, at Collect Call From. I do have another page on another platform. If you guys look right here at my this little icon right here, it's also at Collect Call From on YT. If you guys could go ahead and help me reach 10,000 followers over there, we're like about a little bit under 100 from hitting 9,000 followers. We're trying to hit 10,000, but before the end of the year. Don't follow him. It's a trap. That's right, Leash. Hell yeah. I'm going to go ahead and end it for the night tonight. I've been on for, I'm going on 3 hours so far. I'm going to be back tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow, so I'm going to have a little bit more time to be able to dedicate in the morning. In the morning, we'll probably be doing Judge Boyd. We're going to do Polk County and whatever else comes up. One more. There is no, what do you mean one more what? Court's over. It's done. We did it all. Sheesh, I got to go to sleep. Anyhow, hey, I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said around here, life's like a candy. Life's like a candy. Life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we're out. Rato. Let me see. Where's my outro right here? Where's my outro?
I'm in love with the coco.
I'm definitely in love with the cocoa. Where is it? Hold up. I got one more. Where is it?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
All right, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? A rato. Damn, hold on. Where I gotta cut this YouTube stream. And for you guys following on YouTube, highly appreciate you guys. If you guys ain't, please hit that follow button or that subscribe button. Highly appreciate you guys. And Mama too. Gracias. And let me see. Julian. Bruce. Lacey, if you guys are still in here. Ali, or Ali B. Peeks Ahead. And Becca. You guys have a good one.